Hello traders, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. And today I'm going to show you how to use this positional trading indicator in TradingView chart. And this is a paid indicator, so interested people only watch the video, full video. Don't skip the video because I'm going to show you how to add this indicator setup in TradingView. And see, the technical analysis is very helpful to find entry and exit points. I going to show some example. This is, see here, I'm going to post some ideas. See, this is R power. I predicted these targets with the help of technical analysis. See, the price is trading at the range of 5 rupees and it may go 16 rupees. The target will be reached and it's a perfect reversal point. How I predicted? Because the help of technical analysis we can find exact target and entry points. But many people are thinking technical analysis is more complicated, so only I'm just showing this positional indicator. The indicators are only for indicating signals like a buy and sell. It's just a supporting tool, so interested people only download the indicator code. The link available in a description box. Click the link and download the indicator. And this positional trading indicator will tell you the perfect entry points. See, in Z Media recently I posted. See, in Z Media, in weekly chart, Z Media Corporation, the perfect entry price is 8.65 rupees, and wait for retracement because the price is trading at a overvalue. Maybe it may comes down. It's a good place to buy. It's a perfect targets. The black lines are perfect targets. See here, this is high chance. Maybe in future the trend is strong, it may go for 30 rupees. If the trend is weak, otherwise the trend will be failed, it may go down. It is based upon market condition. And see, I'm going to show you in weekly chart. See here, in weekly chart the moving averages are showing only breakout. See here, it will shows only a breakout. Whenever the price is breaked and closed above the moving averages, it will suddenly rise from this level 6.92, 12.50. the upper area band, it's look like a resistance. Okay, we can minimize daily time frame. See, in daily time frame it will gives long signal. See, this indicator works in daily time frame and weekly time frame, so we can use for a daily and weekly chart to get instant signals. See here, this is long term buy at the price of 590. Right now the price is trading at 12.50. I will going to show you in weekly chart. See, the price is almost 12.50, but it will gives a signal in daily chart. You can analyze in multiple time frame. If the stock is trading at a low price, you can check it in daily and weekly chart. If anyone will give buy signal, it's a good for a entry. It gives some indication only. The indicators are only supporting tool, so only I am again and again saying this. Technical analysis is always best, but interested people download this indicator because you cannot depend any other ideas or do your own analysis, do your own decision using this method. This is a penny stock. You can also use some good stocks. It may trading under value. It will give some long signal and short signal. It's a very useful indicator. I am using this indicator personally. And professional traders are using this moving average to find entry and exit and trend. See, the moving averages are acted as a dynamic support resistance. Whenever the price touches the moving averages, it will bounce back. It will touch the again and again, it may bounce back. So the moving averages are acted as a support and resistance. Many people are watching this moving average levels. Professional traders also following these levels, so only they are trying to buying at the low. See, whenever the price comes down, if the trend is strong, see the moving averages are taking very length. See, 1 to 1 will show you more length, so the band will be size will be increased. See here, so the trend will be very good strength. There are some simple ideas using these moving averages. It's very helpful for normal traders to find a perfect entry. We need patience to carry the profit, because many people are need instant profit, but in this scenario we can wait for long term. See, the positional tradings are very helpful to protect our capital, because intraday trading is more riskier. Positional is very safe side trade. Okay, I'm going to show you what are the time frames. See, in weekly chart we can use it, and we can use it in daily chart also. We get some instant signals. See here, I'm going to show you in R power. See, in R power stock daily chart, see the signal will be gathered from, see here, long signal will be gathered from here. The price will be raised and it takes support from this level, and the price will again and again taking support from this moving average, and finally the price will reach right now the high. It's very simple indicator, you can use it. The link available in description box. Interested people click the link and download the indicator. And I am going to show you how to add this indicator in TradingView chart. I am going to remove this indicator. After finishing payment you get an indicator link, and I am going to copy the indicator code. Okay, pressing Ctrl plus A to select the whole code, and Ctrl plus C to copy the code, and go to TradingView chart. See, this is TradingView chart. Click Pine Editor. The Pine Editor looks like this. If the codes are full, the window is looking like a many codes, you can go to open and click new blank indicator, so only it may appears blank indicator. This is example for blank indicator. See, version study plot, you can remove these 3 lines. I will remove the 3 lines, and then I pasted the code from Pine Editor. See, I pasted the code and I am clicking to add to chart. The indicators lines will be looking like this. If you need to, it will shows like a very small size. You need to click the settings to increase the color and breadth of these lines. See, I am just showing some example. I am going to increase the breadth of these lines. See, the lines are looking very dark. It may simple to use, very simple indicator. If you need it, just download the indicator code. Interested people only download the code, and after, see here, this is Pine Editor. Go to click save. Save button will be given to save your indicator. See, the indicator will be saved. It will appear in your favorite list. And do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much.